In a video showing a medical procedure, a dermatologist carefully removes a large blackhead hidden inside a patient's ear. With sterile medical equipment, the doctor begins the process gently using a special extractor tool. He slowly removes the blackheads. This process is carried out very carefully to avoid damage to the sensitive skin around the ears. This video shows a doctor's skill and thoroughness in treating a skin condition that is often considered trivial but can cause significant discomfort for the patient. Throughout the video, the doctor also provides a brief explanation about the importance of maintaining ear hygiene and ways to prevent the formation of blackheads. This procedure, although it may seem simple, requires a great deal of skill and experience to ensure optimal results and minimize risks. This video is not only educational, but also shows the dedication and professionalism of a doctor in treating his patients.